So today I'm at the local Bricofer store, which is kind of a hardware store, but I love these here. Not quite ready to purchase one yet. We still have some work to do on the house, but I can't wait to have the opportunity to get one of these typical grills here at the Bricofer. It's kind of like a Home Depot, kind of, but they sell home supplies and hardware and paint. Last time we were here, we actually bought a fan for the kitchen, so we're gonna see what else we could find today. I think I need an extension cord and electric fly swatter. So let's go take a look inside if I can. Oh, fly swatter. Oh, there's fans. Guess we need something like this one day. Something for the air conditioner. Let's see. Olive oil. A lot of people make their own olive oil. That's where we bought our kitchen fan last time. Looks like they have a few left. We put in our kitchen. Very popular. So we're looking for an electric fly. Oh, here's extension cords. This is what I was looking for. Something like this. House is old, so we have like the double plug here, and I use my finger as a measuring thing. But everything else, the extension cords, I need the longer outputs. So trying to figure out what I need here. Like I said, it's always a challenge trying to figure out which plugs I need. But I know my house just has a double because I need to redo the electricity. But I think I'm going to use this, and then that's way I can use just about anything in there for the most part, and then run an extension cord if I need it till we get the electricity. So I think I'm going to get this extension cord. It's 5 meters. It should work in case I find a TV I like, and then this adapter here. We'll see how that works out. Toiletries, showers, a little bit of everything. Modern, efficient. I'm actually looking for a fly swatter. Not that I'm out here looking to kill bugs, but every now and then something gets in the house and need to get rid of it. Big paper towel rolls. Oh, laundry thing. We need one of these. So I'm really liking this little Arrosticini grill. I could actually pack that up and bring that home with me. But the funny thing, the small one here is 39 euros. The pack's nice. Then the bigger one here, which is heavier, is actually 36 euros. And these are more expensive down south. Now I see it's a different metal than this one over here, which is big too. This one's 54. So it must be the type of metal. Maybe the stainless steel, who knows. But for the same size, this one's 54 and this one's 36. So I'm thinking it comes down to the type of metal used. Because see this one here, that's actually more expensive, is smaller, but it will pack. So I'm thinking I don't know. I think I'm going to go for this and bring this home and be able to make my own Arrosticini back in Florida at my other home, as opposed to this bigger one here. So I'm just gonna get it. What the heck? What could I lose, right? So I'm trying to figure out which Arrosticini grill to bring home with me. I want to bring a small one home, but they have both of them. One is like, I guess like an iron, and that was a little cheaper, and one of them looks like a stainless steel that costs a little more. Don't know if it's worth the price difference for the amount I'm going to use it, but they have one left of the cheaper one. This is what I'm talking about here. This $24.90. And then they have this one that's $40, and it's a little prettier, but I think for the use, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Cheap enough. So when we were here a while ago, I made if you look back at the old video, I made a little grill where I made rostaccini myself, but now I have my own little one that I'm gonna take back to Miami with me, that I'll have one there. So I'm not gonna go through that again. Couldn't find the fly swatter. It's the end of the summer, so they told me those went pretty fast, but I did get an extension cord that I need, an adapter. You can never have too many of these adapters because I've talked about it before. There's a lot of different size plugs, and our house is older and needs new electricity. So I'm always collecting these adapters.